Hello, welcome to Health Talk. My name is Dr. Katie Fox, and I'm a chiropractor and exercise physiologist. In the past segments, we have talked about posture therapy, natural sleep solutions, and stress management. Today, I'd like to continue our conversation regarding stress, and I'd like to discuss the 3 ways in which we experience stress and how I help people on an everyday basis move away from the negative effects from stress and move towards optimal health. So first, let's define the definition of health. According to Tabor's Medical Dictionary, health is defined as the state of optimal physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. What's interesting to note here is that when asked, most people would respond by saying that they're pretty healthy. However, more money is spent on low back pain care annually than cancer treatments. And that in 2008 alone, we spent $58 million on sleep-related medications. And to top it off, over 60% of our population is considered obese. So I have to ask you the question again, how healthy are you? As a healthcare practitioner, I'm here to share with you that the symptoms that you might be experiencing on a daily basis, although common, are not normal. For whatever reason within our society, we've come to this conclusion that not feeling our best is okay. Again, these symptoms are common, but not normal. What research has found is that there's a common denominator that can be traced back to almost all of the physical symptoms that you might be experiencing. And the common thread is stress. We experience stress in 3 different ways. We experience it physically, emotionally, and chemically. What I'd like to discuss next is those 3 types of stressors and some examples of each. So let's begin with physical stress. Physical stress is what primarily causes the joint and muscular aches and pains and can also affect the central nervous system. Some examples would include driving to work in crazy traffic, sitting at your computer all day, lifting and caring for your kids, and let's not forget about the infamous sports and recreational injuries. Some examples of emotional stress would include your financial situation, a loss of a loved one, or maybe there's unemployment due to the recent recession. And third would be sources of chemical stress, and these would include the effects of air pollution, side effects to any medications you might be on, along with excess consumption of nicotine, caffeine, and alcohol. So to help people better manage their pain and decrease their stress levels, I incorporate a model of care in my clinic called the 4 phases of care. The 4 phases include, number 1 would be relief care, number 2 is corrective care, 3 is the strengthening phase, and 4 is maintenance. The overall goal of this model is to help reduce pain, take pressure off your nerves, improve the flexibility and joint mobility within the body. In addition, it is about educating and empowering our patients to take a more active role in their health. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth and asset. No matter how much fame, success, or money that you may make, without your health, it truly doesn't mean a thing. So start today and do something good for your body that assists it, whether it be getting more sleep, some exercise, or eating some fresh and healthy food, or how about simply having a little bit more fun in your life. I want to thank you for tuning in today and taking the time to learn and listen about some ways that you can help better manage your stress. I certainly hope that you'll be able to apply some of these principles to your life and start feeling better today. To stay up to date on upcoming videos, please become a fan on Facebook at Health Talk with Dr. Fox, or that's drcatherinefox.com. And if you have any further questions or concerns, or you'd like to schedule an appointment, please feel free to call our clinic. That's 619-796-3176. That's 619-796-3176. I look forward to sharing more health and wellness tips with you in the future. So stay tuned with Health Talk with Dr. Fox. And until then, have a healthy day. And you can always find Health Talk with Dr. Fox online at thatsogaylive.com.